Today when I came to the warm-up courts, there was birds flying around and shitting on the court, and yeah, I don't think I have to say that's really unhealthy and not normal. I actually hoped it was going to be better than the other hall. I think it's still very dirty and really like unhealthy conditions for all the players. Everyone is warming up in like 2 layers of pants and winter jackets and gloves and hats. It's not good warm-up preparations for a player who has to go on court and move fast and go in splits. I know everyone is doing their best to make the conditions better for the players, but I think there is still way to go, and I hope it's going to be better for World Championships here in summer. Today when I came to the warm-up courts, there was birds flying around and shitting on the court, and yeah, I don't think I have to say that's really unhealthy and not normal. I don't think so many other athletes would play under these conditions, but yeah. Again, I think everyone around the tournament, the association, I hope also that BWF is going to look into this, because it's a professional sport and everyone who is here is doing their best to prepare and win this tournament. And if they get sick or they get injured because of these conditions, it's unfair.